Hi, and welcome to the Tumbling Coach. I'm Coach Javis, and with me today I have Eiley, and we are going to be teaching you how to spot a back handspring.
And remember to like and subscribe.
Nice work. Whoa, whoa, arms nice and tight. Good, and go ahead. Nice, that was awesome. A couple of skills that you'll want before you start working on a back handspring are a standing back bend, which Eiley will demonstrate for us. Very nice. And a nice strong handstand. Go ahead. Yes, good job. When you're spotting a back handspring, you want to have your strongest hand on the low of their back, not close to you. You kind of want to be on the far side so you're able to support their whole body, and then the other hand will go underneath of their thighs here. Before spotting a standing back handspring, it's a good idea to spot a standing back bend so you get used to supporting your athlete's weight as they go backwards. And you can finish the second half of the back handspring by helping their legs over. That was a back walkover, but it's kind of the same idea as a back handspring. Another thing you want to be sure you can do is support the whole body weight of your athlete. So when they jump, you'll want to catch them on their back. Go ahead. Jump and catch and be able to squeeze them right here and finish through kind of rolling them off of your strong arm, helping their legs over. Another way to help your athlete get comfortable with the direction of a back handspring is kneel or stand slightly behind them. Put your hands on their waist and they'll jump up and over, and you put them back down. They'll keep their arms tight by their ears. If they hit their head on your shoulder, that means their head is going back too much. So tell them to tuck their chin and keep their eyes down. Do it one more time. Then jump, good, and back down. That will help with the direction of the back handspring. So now with me I have Carly, Eiley's mom, and she is going to spot a back handspring for Eiley. So she's gonna reach around and practice catching her first to make sure that she is able to support her. Eiley's gonna jump, catch, squeeze, and she's gonna help her out. Yes, nice. Good, one more time. There you go. Good job, you guys. As you and your athlete get more comfortable with these, you can start to speed them up. I would say it's more important that you want to over spot rather than under spot. So if you want to start instead of this to this like catching arm position like we worked before for the first few where we're going full speed, go ahead. That way you can really help them over and make sure we're staying in rather than out here. We want our arms bent in nice and tight by our body as we help them over. Do one more. And then as you get more and more comfortable with it, you can kind of use your arms. Go ahead. Begin to just guide them, and they'll get more and more confident with it as you go. A couple of things to look for and that will help you out is make sure when their arms are up, there's no bend. So you can always push down on their hands like this to make sure they're staying nice and tight. Have them push up into their tiptoes. Go ahead, push into your tiptoes. And if at any point they start bending their legs in their back handspring, go back to where you catch them on their back. Go ahead, jump onto your back. And really make sure they're getting to this position with super, super straight legs and pointed toes and keeping them like that all the way through. As your athlete gets stronger and stronger and better at their back handspring, you'll want to start spotting less and less. Eiley is still learning her back handspring, so one thing that you can do is start without your hand touching them and come in as they jump so they get used to that feeling of starting the skill without your hand there. So go ahead, I'm gonna start without my hand here. Good, yep. And now do a little bit stronger jump this time. Big, and jump. There, much better. And then progressing from there, you'd start to do less and less, helping her legs over, and slowly but surely, they'll get the skill on their own and your hands will be there for comfort. When your athlete feels ready to attempt the skill by themselves, make sure you are still there, able to spot them, ready to support them if anything happens where they need you. Go ahead. Not bad, Eiley. Way to go. You gonna try one more?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Little more jump. So I'm still here. I want you to go as strong as you can into this back handspring. Big. Oh, do you feel how you're just kind of going straight back into your bridge instead of jumping? One more time. Really think about going up. Yeah, that was much better. Way to go. Hey guys, this was one of my first ever YouTube videos, so I kind of forgot something. So here I am. Thank you so much for watching this video. And since I don't have a video to go with it, here are some pictures of me with Rosie, Eiley's little puppy. Hopefully you learned something. Be sure to subscribe if you would like some more tutorials or at-home work, or maybe if you want some more pictures of puppies. Bye.